today's topic is execution engine. Execution engine is an executor of JVM and which starts the execution process from main method available from Java stack area. Execution engine is also known as virtual processor of JVM. This execution engine internally having the following two translators: interpreter JIT just in time compiler. Interpreter will start the execution process and execute the normal instructions, and when interpreter finds stream instructions, multimedia instructions, then execution control is transferred to JIT compiler. JIT just in time compiler. JIT compiler will execute the stream instructions or multimedia instructions